No chill beats. No chill beats.
203.
What is up, gang? It's your girl Rissa back with another Halloween video with my Gots to Be glue gel and tissue. So you want to start by putting the Gots to Be glue gel around the perimeter of your face, and then add your tissue strips. You don't want it too thick because when it dries, you want it to look like skin. So just put a little bit on there. I used about 2 squares and just ripped it up and put it around. Yeah, and then kind of bunch it together a little bit, so it'll lift up a little once it dries. Then you add your foundation, and then make sure you add the foundation to the tissue as well, so there's no white showing. And then once it dries, it's going to look like peeled skin. Yeah. Then you can add a lipstick, and then when you're adding that foundation, make sure you kind of lift the tissue back up a little bit so it's not flat, so it looks raised up. Then you're just going to add your little fake plastic surgery marks. Anything will work under your eyes, chin, nose. I just put some random things everywhere. Then you're going to add your Gots to Be glue to your top lip along with a cotton swab or tissue to make it look like a botched lip job. Then let that dry. So while that's drying, you're going to add your burgundy and brown eyeshadow mix around the perimeter of your face to look like the bruise from the skin peeling. Then do the same thing with the lip as we did before by adding the burgundy and the foundation. Look is coming together. Then we'll add our fake blood. Just different spots all over, and then we're gonna blend it in with a regular eyeshadow brush. Yes, it's very cheap with stuff you already have at home. Then we're going to add a band-aid and a gauze on the nose to look like a nose job was done as well. And there you have it. Peeled back face, botched plastic surgery job. Yes, I like it. Happy Halloween, you guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what videos you guys want to see next. And thank you guys so much for subscribing. Love ya. Bye.